Hi there, Release Fire here. So I'm going to talk you through the Trial of Wisdom question answers. Hopefully this video is going to help you out. If it does, drop me a like below. You can also check out the rest of my guide and walkthrough series for Paper Mario the Origami King with the links at the end of this video. But the first two questions are true and false questions. So they're relatively easy, especially if you remember things. So the pictures drawn on the first floor of Overlook Tower were mushrooms and an apple. This is incorrect. So in this case, you've just got to remember something from earlier in the game. And then the second question is, every hill in Overlook Mountain has an equal number of uphill and downhill slopes. Well, that's the same for all slopes. All slopes have an uphill and a downhill slope eventually, so that was correct. However, the last one is a case of working out which one of the three options is the liar. And what you're looking to do is to listen to their stories and try to figure out which one would imply that the other two, the remaining two, are correct. So if there's any contradictions, then you know that that isn't the right order. In this case, the answer is B, because A is saying that B is the liar, but C is saying that they're not the liar. So in this situation, they would both be correct if you go with B. And that is the Trial of Wisdom question answers. Hopefully that video helps you out. If it does, drop me a like below. You can also subscribe to the channel if you haven't already with the links on the left hand side, and check out the rest of my guide and walkthrough series for Paper Mario the Origami King with the links on the right hand side. Leave any comments and I'll catch you next time.